it comes to getting a bank account. This is a topic that I covered the most with different titles. Pretty much you can take a look all of those videos in my channel. Today I'll be ranking them all and I'll tell you the best options. After that you can see and choose the one that will work best for you, or pretty much the one that would accept you, the one that you can actually open. Okay, the first is physical banks. If you can open a physical bank account, if you can travel to the US, if you have the visa, it will be the best case scenario for you. Physical bank is the bank that is accepted and that is recognized the most. When you have an actual corporate bank account from banks like Wells Fargo, Chase, Bank of America, TD, you can get accepted pretty much from any platform. You can receive wire payments from the big contractors, from big US companies in the US. They're gonna see and accept that, okay, Ali has his Bank of America account, let's send this money. He looks like he's based in the US, you know. However, opening these banks remotely is unfortunately not possible because of the rule that's called KYC. So this one can be eliminated for you right away. Well, if you can ever visit the US, my favorite ones from these big banks would be Chase because of its great credit cards that they have, and the Wells Fargo. Bank of America is a famous option and it's a little bit hyped because they pretty much love shutting down accounts, and TD is also pretty simple. You can check TD too. Okay, the second option is neobanks. These are not actual physical banks. They use other big banks and work more as like a fintech technology company type of solution. These banks operate fully online and they don't have a single branch in the US that you can go and you can walk in. Most famous options for these neobanks would be Mercury, Relay Financial, and Brex. Mercury by far is the best because of the reason that they have higher acceptance rates, while Brex and Relay Financial can be good, but most likely they would not like you because of your nationality, knowing that you're a beginner, or you're not just gonna have big account, good account activity with them. Brex works only with big VC-backed type of businesses. They literally only ask you your LinkedIn when you do the application, and they say, oh, we will get you back. They most of the time don't even get back. Relay Financial is great. However, if you're not European, they don't accept so many countries. It's very limited that you can check on their website. And the last option, which is mostly for my Pakistanis, some African countries like Nigeria, Middle Easterns like Iraq, Iran, you know, Yemen, like pretty much everything is 10 times harder because of the sanctions. Unfortunately, this is the reality. Having a bank account, running US business from these locations is way tougher. For these nationalities, option that I would recommend would be a virtual bank accounts from Wise and Payoneer. If you can't get accepted from the previous options that I counted, lastly, please go and try the Wise and Payoneer as your last shot. It both works. Wise would be a bit better when it's compared with Payoneer. However, pretty much they work the same, which you can get accepted from either, and it's worth both for trying. To sum it up, physical banks are the beast. If you can get Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, it's great. But most of you watching this video probably can't go to the US, so neobanks comes as a second with Mercury, Brex, and Relay Financial. And for anyone who can get accepted from these neobanks, lastly, you can apply virtual options like Wise and Payoneer. Thanks again for watching my video, and let me know which one you'll be applying in the comments. And also you can check my step-by-step Mercury bank account application video to apply your Mercury account correctly.